you're watching Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond. I'm Amrita Raichand and we are on the playlist of playdates. Now at a playdate, you do give a lot of knickknacks and I've shown you a lot of recipes of that. Let's make chicken and mushroom pie in almond crust. Yes, you must be surprised to hear almond crust, but that's what I have done. I'm going to use half of whole wheat flour and half almond flour. So now I've cut in some cold butter in it, and very quickly and with a deft hand, I'm going to turn this into a crumbly mixture, and then I'm going to add some water and make a dough out of this. Okay, lovely. Now this dough is ready. Make this smooth, and then I'm going to roll it out and add it to my pie tin. Okay, so now I'm going to roll this out, and even if it cracks, don't worry, the butter in it is going to finally bring it all back together. Okay, this is done. Now I have a spring pan tin, and now I am going to place this gently on it. Lovely. Now with the help of a knife, or you can just turn it, we're going to blind bake this in the oven at about 180 degrees preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, now for blind baking, you can also put in some rajma or some chana to prevent it from rising up. I'm going to cut off the excess, and then with the help of a fork, just dock it well. Okay, we've docked this, and now, like I mentioned earlier, just going to put a little parchment paper and add some rajma. There you go. Now into the oven. All right, so here the pie is ready. I have taken it out and cooled it, because you need to let it cool a little before you fill it up and bake it again. So since I have to bake it again, I'm going to put this right back and move it on the side, and let's begin with the filling of the pie. So I'm going to heat a pan and I'm going to add some oil to it. So I'm going to add some little chopped garlic to it and saute it a bit. All right, now the moment you get a nice color in the garlic, you add your diced chicken. Chicken is going to hardly take any time to cook. Allow it to cook. All right, so the chicken is almost cooked. Now I'm going to add the mushrooms to it and just toss it a bit. Add a little bit of seasoning, some salt and some crushed pepper, and that's it. All right, salt and pepper ke baad, now I'm going to add my favorite herb, some fresh thyme. So just pull out the leaves and add them in. You can also chop these. And now, last but not the least, I'm going to add this white sauce. And with that, our filling is ready. Okay, so now here I have my pie crust, and I'm going to add the filling to it. All right, this is done. Now I've got some cheese, and this will go back into the oven for about 4 to 5 minutes, just till this gets nice and gratinated, because everything is cooked. Smelling lovely, and it is so gorgeous. And now I'm going to transfer this to my serving platter. Some garnish with some parsley, and oh, I have some pretty edible flowers too. I'm going to place them here. This is really a yummy dish and so delightfully healthy. Please do try it, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond, only if you like it. All right, I'll see you very soon. Keep watching the Playdate playlist, and I'll be back with more.